Hello, Cinnamon Toast. Yeah, so ngayon mag-aayos muna tayo ng face. And I do have a surprise, guys. Later yan. Later tayo mag ano. Ay, pa tayo ma-delete nito. May setup ako, so later tayo magkakantahan. Pero ngayon, mag-start muna tayong... Hello, Nuna? Nag-iba ka ng ano mo? Mag-start muna tayo mag-ayos ng ating face lock. Samahan niya akong mag-ayos ng face lock ko. So, nakapag-ano na. Ay, tumutunog. Hello po! Magpapayos mo na ang face, guys. You wanna be back. Babalik ka na ulit? Hello, Kuya Arman. Hello po, Jana Aquino. Hello po, Kuya Adrian. Wait lang, guys, may setup ako. Magkakantahan tayo later. Mag-ayos mo na ako, child. Yan, para aware kayo. Magpapaganda muna ako. Sorry guys, nagmamadali ako muna. Aga mo. Sabi ko nga 3 pero na-excite na kasi ako eh. So ngayon na tayo mag-ano. Kumain ka na? Yes po. Hello po, Jenner. Welcome to the live. You're back again. Thank you po, Buddy Zone. Thank you, Jenner, for the ulam nyo. Ginataang pakbet. Thank you, Buddy Zone. Welcome. Mag-ano mo tayo? Mag-ayos muna tayo ang face. Ang puti. Geisha yan, geisha. Geisha yan siya. Hello, Gamer Zone. Welcome. Ay, talagang andito sila, oh. Wala mag-ano pa tayo. So, later, hindi tayo mag-games. But instead, magkakanta tayo. Okay? K-pop nga tayo, guys. Namimiss ko mag-K-pop. Anong 10 na? Anong 10 na pa? Nag-ayos muna tayo. Hello, Yuripeito. Welcome. Later. Request kayo ng song. Okay naman. Graham Balls. Ano meron sa Graham Balls? Gusto kong gumawa ng Graham Balls eh. Then next. Kamusta kayo, guys? Parang di sila nakita kagabi. Light lang. Kasi alam ko namang mahal niyo ako kahit wala akong ano. Sampunta? Ano ba? Di ko gets. Hello, Triangle. Kuya Gamer Zone. Parang di ko talaga gets. Hello, Jonathan pala. Jonathan, natawag ko sa'yo. San si Calvo? What if kakagising lang? Tenta? Ano yun? Slang ba yan? Hello, Royce. Slang ba siya? Explain nyo nga sa akin. Wait lang yung eyeliner ko, guys. Chill. Punta ka mamaya. Saan ako pupunta mamaya? Dito lang, guys. Nag-get ready with me lang ako. Magkakantahan nga tayo, oh. Oh. Naka-ready yan. Mamaya yan, guys. Lumagpas. Galing naman. Yeah. Na-miss ko kasi mag-set up. Eh, di ba before nagkakantahan din tayo? Para naman hindi na tayo yung walang setup. Hindi ko alam, Kuya Gamer Zone. Pero thank you sa explanation ng slang. Makakatapos ka ba ng kanta? Ayan ang ating pag-usapan later kung makakatapos ba ako ng kanta. Aw, thank you so much, Antonio. Wait lang, nag-aayos ako. Get ready with me, charot. Ba't na-filter yung comment nyo? Ba't na-filter? Bilis mag-makeup. Alam nyo, guys, mabilis talaga ako mag-makeup. Like, literal. Sobrang bilis ko mag-makeup. Minsan, parang full glam. Inaabot lang mga 25 minutes. Ganon. Sinasabi nga rin nila, ba't daw ang bilis ko mag-makeup? Ba't na-filter? Anong carps ka ba? Anong carps ka pa, bro? Ano yun? Ayan, guys. Diba? Patapos na agad ako. Wala pa na kalahating oras. Kamusta naman kayo? Ano namang ganap nyo ngayong holiday? Ganap nyo ngayong holiday, guys. Sorry na agad. Kakaumpisa ko lang din, Kuya Elvin, kaya it's okay. Bahay lang. Ang ginagawa sa bahay ngayon, rest lang kayo today. Kaka-start ko lang din, kaya kayo'y okay lang. Manood lang ng live ko. Charot. Bye-bye! Ingat kayo. Manood ka ng live. Paano ako mag-blush placement dito yan? Oo naman, basta ako DP mo. Kahit ano bang mukha ko dyan. Hello, Kuya Rooms! Diba ako magtampo si Shell kasi wala ka sa live niya? OA naman sa Parang OA naman sa blush. Hello, Mark! Hello po, Kuya Mark. Hello. Lagot ka. Takot yarn. Lang, guys. Lagyan tayo ng ating lagay lang tayo ng abubot sa face. Ira, may asak ko. Anong asak mo? Alis ka today. Hindi po, kuya. Hanggang tayo dito. Hanggang gabi tayo dito. Meron nga po akong set up. Magkakantahan tayo later. Nagde-deworm ba yung uod? Wait lang, tanong ko lang sa friend ko. Baka alam nila. May work kayo today? Di ba holiday ngayon? Gabi lang. Ang alam mo, madaling araw nung patuloy ako. Kahit kahit anong oras abutin. Ano kantahin mo mamaya, mag-request kayo ng mga song. At kakantahin ko siya. Kantahin ko siya for you guys. Kayo mag-alala. Ayun, bakit nga ba mahal ko siya? Ano lang to, biglaan. Siyempre, bakit nga ba mahal kita? Hindi yan song request. Part yan ng routine natin. Kantahin. Sige, Keshi. Too soon. Buti na may alam akong kanta ni Keshi. Okay na yan siguro, guys. Parang ganito naman mukha ko. Kaya anong mangyari? Oh gosh. Naaway ka ni Shell. Ano sabi ni Shell? Baka dalawin ako ng masamang ibili ng sounds ko. Wait. Sino ba kasing masamang elemento yan? Guys, anong magandang buhok sa akin? Kulot or straight? Sinasabihan niya ang pangat si Topi. So, anong magandang buhok? Saan punta? Dito lang po. Nag-ayos lang. Alam niyo namang mahal ko kayo. Hello from Singapore. Ano ko lang, tabi ko lang. Tapos naman na. Tapos na to. Ito na to. Ayan, ito na yung mukha ko. Mag-ano na lang tayo. Mag-prepare. Hi! Try mo kulot, makita namin. Na-try mo na ba yung kanta na Miss ni Rob? Hindi ko siya kabisado. Thank you, Angel. Genki desu ka, Ira-san. Genki desu. Yung kulot, yung parang ano. Alam niyo yung boss ni Hoop? Ganong kulot. Maganda kaya? Mga kanta ni Yeng. Ayan, kakantahin natin mga kanta ni Yeng. Mga pang-relax. Kakantahin natin yan later. Pero okay na itong buhok ko na ito eh. Kahit hindi ka mo. Ayaw mo ng afro. What kind of afro song po? Hindi tayo. Mamaya tayo mag-ayos ang buhok. Ayan. 3, 2, 1 bago maging busy. Okay. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay na yan. Sige, magkatali na lang tayo. Ayan, kasi minsan lang din naman tayo magtali ng buhok. Afro, buhok? Hindi ko alam yun. Kamot santik o shira tali makasi yan. Nasi. Ano ba tayo ng kanta?
Thanks for listening to K-Pop On. Brought to you by Samsung.
Wait lang.
Catch my heart, baby, catch my heart.
I-repost ka ulit. Okay, wait. Sabihin niyo pag 3, 2, 1 ka. 3, 2. Okay na? Sabihin niyo nga kay Shell sumali dito. Ba't siya nagsosolo doon? Wait lang. Parang like later tayo mag-start. Kasi nag-charge pa ako. Hindi ko magamit yung phone ko kapag ano kakanta eh. Thank you rin po, Kuya Mark. Kaso lang nag-share screen ata si Shen, hindi siya ma-invite, if ever. 1 hour stream late? No, not 1 hour stream. Ano tayo, kanta tayo later. Charge lang ako. One nung time ka pala kakanta. Mga 4 po. Kaya mag-start na kayong maghanap ng mga song request. Kasi I prepared. Baka magnilay-nilay ako niyan mamaya. Baka mag-relapse ka, wala pang 3 a.m. Ganon. Hala, thank you, Kuya Jay! Oh my God! Parang kinikilig ako. Thank you so much, Kuya Jay. Grabe naman yun. Ay, pag ganun agad. Parang ano ko yan, winish ko yan kagabi. Ano yan, kasi gustong-gusto ko yung sticker na yun, yung Night Star. Thank you so much, bro. Nanonood ako. Hello, Lem! Okay, Mark. Kumain na ba kayo mga akla? Nag-see-it na ba kayo? Okay, mag-SR ako magkanta yung mamaya para may first upload ako. Makan, yes. Yeah, have you eaten? Yeah. What is your food? Ano ba English ng ulam? Hello, Kuya Mark Reel ba yan? Sige nga, patunayan mo. Thank you, Kuya Mark. What, so happy for that. Thank you. Mwah. Oh, you want love with your eyes closed. Ayam goreng. Oh, ayam goreng. Ayam goreng. Fried chicken. Meron na akong kami Oshi, baka magtapo. Okay lang po yan, kahit ano lang ako, ni Oshi. Ganun.
Bati naman ako.
Hi da, sabi ng ate ko.
Magla-live din ako.
Bali. Hi daw, sabi ng ate ko, guys. Gusto ko nang kumanta, guys. Pero like later pa kasi wala akong pang connect. Wala akong pang connect na ano. Wait lang. Ang init nga eh. Hello from Indonesia. Uminit nga ito sa daming Grabe naman yun. Grabe naman yun. Paano kaya yan? Paano ko to like inulit ko? Paano ko to i-ano? Oshihin, Appa Loyal, ML14. Aww, terima kasih ya. Terima kasih. Huwag niyo ba yung favorite person ko ah. Oh, hello po Kuya JP, welcome to the live. Hello Kuya Janelle, welcome to the live. So, naghahanap ako ng way para makapag-live dahil ano pala emoji mo? Squirrel po. Thank you Kuya Janelle for the heart me and the popular. Mwah. So, we're gonna sing later. I have prepared something for you. I know, nagbabalik siya ang bakit nga ba mahal kita. Thank you, Nasi. Bakit pa squirrel? Actually, because I have like a squirrel cheeks. That's why it's squirrel. So, ayun. Naghahanap ako ng way para like... Ayan, Jeepney Loves... Jeepney Loves... Stars. Jeepney Loves 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 Stars. Sorry na, ito na. Alam ko naman. Mali. O, yan, di nalaga. O, di na ako lag. Wala, di ko talaga ma-figure out how to use. So, like, parang later na lang. Tap kayo, guys.
This love is so gigantic, so galactic, massive, so enormous, just like magic. I've been seeing stars and hearing all the stress.
Lalagay tayo ng...
You and me beyond infinity, got me up in the air like Luca. High like a rocket, taking me there. Kissing it, we got a problem, cause I lost control of emotional hands on the wheel. Needing more oxygen, you a phenomenal. I can go on and about how I feel. Can't stop, won't stop, I don't need a pit stop. Feeling like a boombox, now look at what you got. Hitting me like a bazooka. Only one love if it's super duper. Because of you, I'm flying high. Because of you, I'm looking up in the sky. Hands on my heart.
Sticker.
Do us part, the sweetest dynamite. Boom, boom, boom. I'm about to explode. How can I feel more than this? I don't know.
Lang, wait lang.
We got this.
Love, love. Super duper love.
Love, boom, boom, boom. My heart is so loud. How can I get better than it is right now? We got this.
Tayo. sorry guys. Please, wag nyo accept yung
Thanks for listening to
invitation.
K-Pop On. Brought to you by Samsung.
Thank you. No,
Thanks for listening to K-Pop On.
I
Brought
just,
to you by Samsung.
Hello everyone. I love this. Can I use this na lang? Ito na lang, ganito na lang. I don't know what's the baddest girl I found. Might be another planet, baby. That's from Mother Nature made me. Something about like water, space, that fun. So you're on your tongue. Beep, 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 I'ma say you don't. So let's go. Tap, tap, guys. Para tumaas ang ating ranking sa daily rankings. Parang bet ko to. Ganito na lang yung voice, ha? One time for all my ladies, you looking good. Oo, naglag ako kanina, sorry. Why change voice? Just a joke.
Can always be your other dance. Mika, joke lang yan. Tapon natin wifi balit bago. Naka-data nga lang ako, hina pa din. Pwede ka ba idagdag? Pwede. Hindi yan na dapat pinapaalam. Go na. Aray kaya pa. Hello po. Oh my God, hello sa 60 na nanonood, guys. Kamusta kayo? At grabe, buhay na bahay kayo ng 3 p.m. Hello, Kuya Neo Kuroshi. Musta? Hello, Rel. Long time. Paano yun? Nasa pang 18 ka na? Oshi, okay lang. I'm still happy. Kaya nga, tagal kung di kayo nakita. Si Kuya Zel. Yan, ito si Kuya Zel. Long time no see, guys. Hello, Zel Kage. True ba? First time mo lang pala. Oh, edi welcome sa aking live, Kuya Mark. At sana lagi ka na lang, pumunta dito. Kung 18 ka lang, kung ako yan, di ko gagawin sa'yo. Ano ba? Tipaklongs. Tipaklongs. What do you mean tipaklongs? Ay, nawala yung music. Ganda laban kagabi, di ba? Okay naman po, Akad. Second na ngayon. Thank you, Meconic, sa fried chicken. Load lang kayo, guys, sa live ko kasi dito lang naman ako palagi. I can say I'm a bad girl. Sana hindi kayo magsabay. Thank you, Kuya Rel, sa finger heart. Oh my God. Na Diyan ka lang palagi, ah. Dito? Ako pag di ako umalis dito pa. Para may motivation pa rin. Kuya Rams, baka mag-zero sa Shell. Reason to stay in MNL. You guys! Ay, super favorite song ko to, guys, ng NMIX. Thank you po sa gifts, guys. May crush ka po ba? Secret. Ang MN Loves. Thank you, Cuddle Bear. Welcome po. Alam mo, Ira, inspire ko ng ML48. Naging support na ako since high school ako. Anong age na po ba ngayon, Kuya Mark? So like, graduated ka na ganon. Ano daw? Hello, Cuddle Bear. Welcome to the live. Oh, 22 turning 23. Oh. Happy birthday po. Happy birthday. Ala, nag-send ng treasure box si Meconic. Ala, akin na yan. Huwag niyo kukunin, Jess. At hindi naglo-loading. Oh. Yeah, malapit na 8-year anniversary. Malapit na rin ang anniversary ng 4th gen. Wow, it's been a long time. At lapit na rin ang anniversary ng Reboot and Rise. So, 2 years old na ang 4th gen, guys. Kailan ba? June pa naman, di ba? 2 years. Oh my God. Ang tanda na nila. Hello po! Wait. Welcome to the live. Actually, guys, may pag-game sana ako. Tapos alam niyo yung prize ko, yung poster ni Marine here. May fan ba ng BNK dito? Ang lapit na rin mag-init na kasi. parang nag-start ang ML48 sa grade 7 or grade 8 ako. Nag-start ang ML48 2018. Pero yung audition process ata mga grade 7 ako. BNK, hi. San Oshi lang. Si Kuya Elvin talaga yun, no? Ako ba, Kuya Elvin? Ano mo ako? Oshi. Yeah. Kasi 2018 grade 8 ako. San Oshi na parang kami Oshi levels. No to Oshi hen. Baka nag-Oshi hen kayo, mama ko yun. Dagdagan nyo lang ng dagdag. Wait lang. I love them pero mamaya natin. Sabayan natin yung song. Pababain na lang po yung list. I'm from 4th generation po. It's the end of the month and the weekend. Uy, Kuya Elvin talaga. Kukunin kong handler nitong account. Sino? AFK ako, Ira, naka-SR ako. Yes, I'm from 4th generation po. Thank you, Meconic. Ira, not Ira. Pero ang dami rin before nagsabi ang name ko to. Not Ira. Pero ang dami rin before nagsabi ang name ko to. nyo eh. Thank you, Oshihen, for the ano. Check ko lahat ng mga friends nyo. Yan, dapat kabisiduhin nyo. Parang naglalag ako. Lag ba ako, guys? Love you. Okay na. Love you too. Ah. Parang meron akong third gen at fourth gen na kami. Oh shit. Sino yan, Kuya Mark? Parang pangalan ko yan. Sino si Ira? Joey lang kilala namin ko dyan. Bago MNLove din po ako this dyan. Hello Kuya JP. Thank you so much for discovering LL48. Ano ba? Paano ba? Mama ni Moose. Money is true. Sige, Kuya Mark, panindigan mo talaga yan. Pag ako di kita nakita sa live ko, tatampo ko sa'yo. Same bag. Uy! Sus! Ko kasi Kuya Roms ang ano eh ang love mo si Shell. Pero love mo rin ako, syempre. Ang first gen yun. Yeah. Wait lang guys. I'll check the ano lang kung okay ba yung feedback ko. Thank you, Miko Nick. Panindigan niyo tong kilig ko. Papanindigan ko yan. Huwag ka mag-alala. Papanindigan kita. Wait lang. I'll check the ano lang. If okay yung feedback ko sa ano. Aray, napagdudahan pa nga. Bago lang talaga. Totoo ba? Kung sabagay ngayon lang kita nakita sa live ko. Mamarkahan ko na kayo, guys. Sa akin lang kayo. Kanino lang kayo. Wait lang. Okay lang naman yung feedback ko. Di naman ako naglalag. First gen ko pa naman. Okay. Sign of era. Diba? Hindi naman matagal si ano eh. Parang familiar sa akin yung ano niya. Username. 4 sa noo. Shell at Ira lang sa poso ko. Paano si Ate Mia ka? Lagot kay Ate Mia ka. Waka-waka. Di ba ganun naman talaga yung basa? Waka-waka. Aray mo, sino yun? Aray mo. Wala na nakangiti nga ako. Kulang na lang hampasin ako ng kaldero. Wala na, kinikilig na sa akin si Mark. Don't worry guys, papanindigan ko kayo. Sa akin lang kayo. Okay? Pang 5th ko si Ate Mia. Yee! May edit na ako ni Mark later. May ano na ako. Ang tawag doon yung sa Indonesia. Yung ano, yung parang yung nagsa-slow something. Tas ano yung tawag doon?
Lean into the sounds you love.
Sorry guys, parang pang-premium. Tawag dun lag. Okay. Wait lang. Naghanap ako ng, ayun, velocity. Thank you, Mikonik. Mention kita agad now. Wow! Editan niya na agad ako now. Dapat yung gumagana tapos nasusunod. 8.
I've been here waiting, looking at it, trying to catch it, take it how you wanna take it. Left to taste of panic, left to take another planet, left to make another statement. XG, make me say the name right, spell it out so you can learn it. It's better times when it's turning, it's better fire when it's burning. Until we all made it work for us, made it but we had to work for it. Work, so perfect that it hurt, don't it? Surf on it, right away, cause we had to right away. Bye, fantastic, we fly away in the outer space. Drop top of the cooler, so I wanna hop up on this thing.
Favorite song ko to, guys.
Fix my hair, fix my makeup on the way. Bound for the X now, bound for the way.
Thank you, Kuya Roms. A little more than ordinary, under the destiny, living on the bro.
I'm the judge and jury,
I don't wanna
hear it, I'm the one to hear it, keep it on the low. This is automated, I'm the motivator, told my haters, yo, all the merrier.
For my entertainer, fascinated, I'm just laughing cause so hilarious. That's out with a big mouth, yeah. Smoke it with a big house, yeah.
Big watch, no
Right
wrist
now,
now.
I just started the phone out just now. When the more down the bus, I'm running toward the bus and the door.
Friends rushing out, security had to push me out.
Then I power, let it go with a big
Motor on a kid though.
Watch me rip though, watch me snap like Motorola flip phone. I don't wanna hit you this hard on the intro.
Read that bounce like 6'4". Find me in Tokyo, ram it in the skirt. Every time my drip though. Woke up looking like this, so don't get under my skin. Woke up looking like this,
Lang guys.
Woke up
Okay,
looking
saan
like
magpaano
this,
short
so
hair?
don't get under my skin.
Try
Woke up
natin.
looking like this, yeah.
Like
Flex go easy, tag it up, graffiti, drop a pin to add it this way.
ganyan siya.
Showing us all I know I'm supervision. I'm superstitions, watch me do everything, everywhere, all at once.
Mga ganyan kaiklit.
Around the world, woke up looking like this, so don't get under my skin.
XGALX.
And that's the name of the shit. Damn mother wolf, so don't make fun of my kids. We all family stand
Sige
tall
na
now,
nga.
so
Ay,
don't
aray.
talk down on my kid. Hey, come sit up, party, floating like it's Mardi Gras. Yeah, you can call me Bobby, but I'm not your Barbie doll. Yeah, party,
Lang.
ha, nothing at 'em when we fast away. Black on black, I'm this all packed away.
C to the OC. Oh, that's me, Lord have mercy. Young queen, but I act like an onni.
Young blood with a bit like a Gucci, yeah. Wait for the bag,
So ano yan? Kamusta? Ano yan? Ano na? Kamusta na kayo?
for the bag.
Wala tayong topic kasi naghintay tayo mag-form bago ako mag-ano.
Like this, so don't get
Hello, Dose! Welcome to the live. Magtago na nga ako pa. Meron.
woke up looking like this, so don't
Hahanapin kita, Mark.
woke up looking like this.
Hello, Des. Hello po, Dose. Hello, Dose. Welcome to the live. Musta? Aww. Hardworking po ang Kuya Roms namin. Hello, Nathan. Hello, how? Ako din, Kuya Roms. Pasahodin mo ako. Sana all my What you want, I don't what you need. Love me like we don't follow anything. Left, right, get it on the floor. I wanna see you left, right, get in my zone. Then we get the
We don't want no ounce, want no drama thing.
left, right, everywhere we go.
We pull up on the left, right, lost in the floor.
I'm the one that you.
The ride and switch lanes like this, spin it out and flip.
Oh, mag-ready na kayo ng mga song request nyo, ha?
Just follow my flow.
Mag-start tayo ng 4.
Oh, the only inspiration I
I
know.
want your body moving left, right, left, right. I want your body moving left, right, left, right. Maybe other. See you po, Kuya JP. Thank you so much sa pag-drop. Turning on the ground. That's right. Sino nga ba siya? Mamaya. Sino nga ba siya? Ira Cutie. Thank you, Kuya JP, for the heart me. We'll be back. Okay pa. Thank you. Yeah, okay lang po. Sabi ko nga, pwede po, welcome po kayong pumasok. Pwede po kayong lumabas. Kamusta ang tulog mo pa lang? Natulog ako ng after live. Then, nagising ako ng 9. Ewan ko, ba ganun kasi yung ano ko, yung sleeping schedule ko. Dapat magising ako like before 9. Never ako nagigising ng around 12. Ganun. Oh, nag-lunch ka na ba? Yes po, kuya. Promise. Pero nagugutom pa din ako. Sarado daw lahat na icon sa bahay kasi ano, holiday, guys. So, parang sarado talaga. Down, baby, are you? Down, baby, down. Take you to the other side. Execute with certified. Alpha, we can weather that. Into the galaxy, not the best. Down, baby, down. Tell me if it's Kumain na kaya si Tiffany? Kumain na yon. Ito talaga si Jonathan. Bigla pa ganun eh. Gusto ko na kumanta guys, kaso lang nag-charge pa kasi yung ano ko. Yung ano, iPad, kaya wala kasing saksakan tong ano ko.
Want to spice up
Ready
your
na nga,
listening?
oh.
Smart Shuffle can weave
Kasya
in
ba?
song
Abot
recommendations
ba
for
yun?
your playlist when you join Spotify Premium.
Try natin.
Start a jam, where you can
Kumain ka na ba? Opo. Pero gutom pa din. Thank you po, Mechanic! Hala, ito talagang si Mechanic. Parang na-spoiled na ako. Ni-spoiled mo ako ah. Ibaba natin. Ayan.
relaxing at home or out and about. Make
Ayan,
your music
okay.
move with you. With Premium, you can download your music at
Tapos
higher
ganito.
quality, listen to songs ad-free, and play them in any order.
Taray,
Tap the banner to
nagda-DJ.
learn more.
Wala kasi akong ano eh. Ang daming wala. Wala akong... Wala akong earphones.
With Premium, you get to focus
Headphones
on
lang.
music. Explore a vast catalog of millions of songs without hearing ads.
Para siyang
Or
ganyan.
download your playlist to listen to them anywhere. You can also play your favorite
Meron
songs
naman
in
talaga
any
akong
order.
ganito, guys.
You can
Sino
skip
ba?
forward and backward as
Hindi,
much
ang
as
tagal
you
ko
like.
lang hindi
Your audio,
nagganito, pero
your
before
control.
nagla-live
Tap the
ako.
banner to learn more.
Talaga si Dose. Ngayon lang talaga ako nag-set up ulit. Kasi mahirap siyang i-set up. Yeah, dream ko yan. Studio. Totoo ba? Kung sa Dose talaga, oh. Na mag-edit tayo. Yan! Ayoko ng caps lock. Something ain't right. Hello, beat the heat. Welcome. I'm trying to hide. Baby, I can't take it. You can take it. Something ain't right. Uy, no ba? Something ain't right. Something ain't right. Something ain't right. I know something ain't right. Ano ba mga kantang i-request ko for later? Yan, 10 minutes na lang bago tayo mag-start, guys. Sino kayang una kong pagbibigyan? Anong genre mo? R&B po, mga malayeng ganon. Pero hindi ako bumibirit, guys, kaya pagpasensyahan nyo na. Ano yan, Nathan Howe? Ayun yung bago kong kanta, yung sino nga ba siya? Sige, kantahin ko yan later. Yung mga alam kong kanta lang, guys, yung kakantahin ko kasi ayaw mapahiya. I can't take it, you can't take it. Sino nga, ni ba siya? Something ain't right. Something How do you grieve for a love that never exists? Like, ano ba? Romantic or friendship or like, anong context ng love? What kind of love? Like family love? Ayan. Wala pa talagang gabi. Unrequited. Mahirap to be honest. Like, mahirap yun. Kasi, ito guys, like before nung high school ako, I do have a crush. Hindi kami nag-uusap ng crush ko na yun. Hindi kami nag-uusap. Pero crush ko siya. Tapos naging turns into love. Pero hindi kami nag-usap. Hindi nag-exist talaga. Parang delusion lang siya sa head ko. Delusion lang yung crush na yun sa head ko. Tapos ang hirap mag-move on. Tapos nung nakagraduate na ako ng high school. Kahit di naman kami talaga nag-usap, di naman kami talaga literal, hindi talaga siya nag-exist. Pero gumawa ako ng scenario sa head ko. So, hindi ko masasagot yan kasi for me, like, it's really hard. Na-miss ko agad si Joey. Aww. Yung mga crush lang gano'n. Kapag high school, mga puppy crush yun. Madali kang ma-influence, ma-in-love, magkaroon ng... Diba? Pag mga high school talaga, madali kang ma-influence na ma-in-love. Peer pressure, gano'n. So, parang minsan gumagawa ka ng scenarios sa head mo, even though that hindi siya nag-exist. Yung mga high school dyan, iwas kayo sa gano'n. Yeah, puppy love. Wattpad, yeah. To be honest, I blame Wattpad din. Because I really love, reading books, ganun. I love reading books. Tapos, dahil doon, kaya siguro parang overthinker na gawa ng scenarios. Yeah, Delulu. So, dapat, limitation lang din sa mga nagbabasa na hindi nyo need i-put yung scenarios or parang theme ng story sa real life. Kasi hindi naman talaga ganun. Kayo ganun. Walang mangyayari sa inyong life if you're like that. Seasons by. Sini mo. Baliw. Yan, 6 minutes na lang guys. Like, let's start na mag-sing. Kumanta. Ito naman, i-end ko muna siya guys. Babalik ba kayo? I-end ko siya kasi sa kabilang device ako magla-live. So, yeah. Balik na lang kayo guys. I-end ko siya saglit kasi sa ibang device ako magla-live. So, babalik ba kayo? Bumalik kayo. Baby. Thank you po. So, ang dami yung rose. So, maano na natin siya. May hit na natin yung goal natin na 24. Season time. All the time. Ay, 4 na pala. Saktong 4 na lang. Para it's okay. Can you speak bahasa? Maaf. Ako no bahasa. Ha? Mga 4 na. Paabutin natin tong 10k yung likes. Ira-chan, hi! Thank you for the follow, Kaze. Thank you sa pag-like, Jonathan. Ano bang request mo? Yung bakit nga ba mahal kita? Hala, thank you po, Mikoni. Wala, na-reach na natin yung goal. Yehey! Mwah! Thank you, Mikonic. Napaka-spoiled ko naman sa'yo. Ano ba yan? Thank you po sa mga nag-send ng gifts. Super na-appreciate ko po yan. Sa mga contributors po natin. Si... wait lang. Ang bagal. Bagal na internet ko. Eh? Si Kuya Rom, si Buddy, ay si Kuya Jay. Lang hina, di ko mabasa yung isa. Hindi nag-loading. Iiyak na. Wala pa nga eh. Kaya pa tayo iyak.
With Premium, you get to focus on the music. Explore a vast catalog.
Hindi ko na na-post yung cover ko, guys.
During ads. Or download your playlists to listen to them anywhere. You can also play your favorite songs in any order with freedom to skip forward.
Hindi ko na siya na ano. Pero sige, paparinig ko na lang sa 9 na nanonood.
Tap the banner to learn more.
Kayo ang ano, kayo ang makakarinig ng cover ko. Patugtugin natin. May video yan eh. Thank you, Buddy Cute! Mwah! Yan. Ayun. Ayun. Ayun siya, guys. Ayun talaga siya. Bitin ba? Sin siya na. Ayun.
You're running from where you can't escape.
Sana nagustuhan nyo. Thank you, Mikoni. Ano ba?
I'll put you in the sun kind of state.
You're awesome.
So what?
Sabi niya, may angel na kumakanta. Ayun pa yung sinasabi nilang boss angel. Bitin. What a beautiful beat. Parang beat.
I'm hypnotizing.
Thank you. Baby, baby, baby. Practicein natin yung baby, baby, baby. Sige, kantahin ko. Di ko kasi alam yung lyrics ng baby, baby, baby. Tay, medyo. Pero hindi ko kapisado. Thank you, Kuya Romsey. Ano ba?
Para sa 100% complete
Tusik.
Vocally, with
Kilig ako.
Vitamins A, B, C, D.
Natin.
I love you baby 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 振りを見てくれ誰かのI love you baby 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 振り向いてくれ誰かに向けてるその視線僕の子に
Tayo in videos, so cute. Thank you.
I love you baby 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 振り向いてくれ誰かに向けてるその視線僕の中に向けすぎて一緒さの答えが欲しい I love you baby 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 これ
Yung try ko.
I love you baby 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 ฉันอยู่ในความพิเศษที่ใส่ตาคนนั้นใส่ตาคนนั้นที่เธอกำลังจ้องมองใครกันอยู่จะใช่
Yep. Kabladuhin ko muna. Thank you, VMZY. Thank you, VMZY, sa roses. Aww. Ayun, mag-4 na guys. Unti na lang, sorry. Wait lang, at lakas na. Bye-bye po. Ingat po Kuya Elvin. Kuha lang ako ng something guys. Iwan ko muna kayo. Prepare na ako ng gamit. Sorry guys. Tumamuha ang pagkain.
You don't have to be an expert to create
Kain,
something you are happy
guys.
with. My animation is inspired by the energy,
Alam mo naman ang
colors,
magugutom
and
eh.
light of Kuala Lumpur.
Ano? Turon. Mukbang.
I'm Michael Lin, and I'm a 2D animator.
Turon. Ano, Tara? Dibay ko ano, Tara? Turon.
มันจึงร้อนมากมายจริงๆ
เลือกัน
เลือกถูกปิ้งในแผ่นดินขนมปังเลยก็ซ้อมเท้าที่ฉันกำลังปั่นจักรยานบนทางแอสฟัลต์ให้หยุดเงียที่
Kasi ano Tara?
ไม่ได้เลยว้าวว้าวว้าวว้าวเป็นฤดูร้อนที่นานเกินไปเลือกกันคงไม่ได้เธอนั้นยากจริงๆก็เลยอยากลงในน้ำลงไปดูกันหน่อยดีไหมกระโดดน้ำนักสุ่มให้ชุ่มหัวใจ
Hindi pa po Kuya Jonathan.
กับฉันเป็นเธอเล็กน้อยเลย Oh my pumpkin มาคนดีของฉันมาได้โปรดบอกมาสักทีได้สบสายตาเธอแค่เพียงเสี้ยวนาทีก็ยังดีมาต่อเติมความสัมพันธ์ที่ดีกันทีละเล็กละน้อยก็จะคอยถึงแม้เป็นเพียงแค่ฝัน
Thank you for sharing the live. Turon. Oh, Kuya, ito lang. Maya na ulit.
เป็นกันทีละน้ำกำลังสนุกสนานกันว่ายแข่งขันกันว่ายท่าพี่เสือวนไป ฉันก็ได้รู้สึกเหมือนอยากทำเป็นเด็กดูบ้างได้ไหมจะไม่ยอมแพ้ใครจริงๆแน่นอนทำให้ความรักแสนเราร้อนในสระว่ายน้ำอย่าลงยังไงดีฉันเหลือเกินพบเจอครั้งนี้มาไทย เป็นแบบนี้ครั้งกัน You're my pumpkin อยู่ไกลๆแต่แสนไกลทำกินคนดีนั่นไงใจมันเต้นรัวๆรู้สึกได้เลยที่เจอแค่เห็นเธอนุ่งผ้าเช็ดตัวและพูดคุยกับเพื่อนของเธอยิ่งสาดน้ำมันก็ทำให้ฉันละลาย You're my pumpkin ก็เข้ามาแค่ชอบเธอปล่อยฝันเช่นเธอทุกทีแค่วันนี้ได้พบกับเธอก็ feel like
Kayo din ba napapasayaw kayo pag masarap yung pagkain?
ที่มีภาพเธอไว้คอยคิดถึงสักวันฤดูร้อนปีนี้ร้อนที่สุดเลย Oh my pumpkin คนที่อยู่ตรงนั้นคือคำกินของฉันนั่นไงไม่มีทางเป็นไปได้เลยที่ฉันจะได้จากเธอ
Wala po kaming bilo-bilo.
ที่เห็นว่าเธอว่ายน้ำทำตัวไม่ถูก
Part yun ng Steph. Onigiri yun.
Oh my pumpkin มาคนดีของฉันมาได้โปรดบอกมาสักที
Isa.
ได้สบสายตาเธอ
1, 2.
เสี้ยวนาทีก็ยังดีมาต่อเติมความสัมพันธ์ที่ดีกันทีละเล็กละน้อยก็จะคอยถึงแม้เป็นเพียงแค่ฝัน君は僕のパンプキン
Wala na, OA na. Tubig muna guys, stay dehydrated. Stay dehydrated. Stay hydrated.
Filipinos, you're paying too much to get paid from overseas. Payday is smarter with Wise. It's the account to get paid from around the world. Get a Wise.
Sige na guys, mag-end na ako. Start na ako I mean, hindi ako mag-end guys. Lilipat na ako ng device para mag-start tayo magkantahan. Mag-ready na kayo ng mga song request nyo. Thank you po. Wait lang. Wait nyo.